Claire. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. She thick, ain't she? Everything good?
Almost plugged in. Almost plugged in.
Yeah. They're kind of hot, boss.
I'm trying to push this wire up. Because it's like... Oh, well, if you're going to leave this one, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. I'm already done. Got it installed and shit. I'm just going to take those bolts with me tomorrow and see if I can get a close match to them. That, the gasket for that, and then what else? Trans fluid, and that's it. And of course put the exhaust on, which, you know what? I'm gonna raise it back up. I'll do that right quick.
Ooh, fuck. Bitch, what the fuck we doing here? We just fucking vibing. Huh? There's only one cop here. His tent is super dark. His them tents stupid darky.
Yeah, you might have to come out the other door. I just got 70 on my front windshield.
No shit, 70. Man,
I can't do that.
me either. Me. JP, part the pussy, JP. There you go, twerking for us. There you go. Update. We did the four-wheel drive conversion, so it's a full-time two-wheel drive now. Full-time two-wheel drive. We changed the rear main seal because obviously it was there. So now we're doing the exhaust. We're gonna put the exhaust from a G8. So we're gonna cut this shit off. Cut Cut it off right there. And then cut these tips off. Put that put that exhaust muffler right about here. And then run the pipe over the axle. I take this shit off, the damn tow hitch, then put my tips there. I got some clean tips coming up for us. Okay, well, anyways, look at the size of these bitches, right? Oh, double whammy tippy. Oh, fisty for the Denali. Make my pussy throbby. Hot boy claiming the cut. But yeah, it's coming along, kids. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, it's a Magnaflow. Yes, sir. So, stay tuned. Header's looking good, baby. Header's looking good, just like you. Pretty good too, though.
Like that?
That'll work with. Hell yeah.
Good leaks, I guess. Sounds like you got a problem.
It sounds like a personal problem.
Sounds like you need a call, nigga. Who cares? Yeah, boom, it's right there.
That worked right there. Could we turn something that way, some?
You want this motherfucker up?
No, like turn it back. Hey, towards the tire, some.
Are you trying to melt that motherfucker?
I'm trying to do something to the tire, bitch. You hear me?
You just tell me when.
Over. I don't know. Easy. There, probably.
So you don't want it directly on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or what do you think?
A little bit more?
What do you think?
It can hit the ground. I mean, it ain't gonna drone.
No? Okay, fuck it.
That's all
Straight
I'm saying.
down.
But if you don't like it, we can always turn it. But I'm saying, like, the G8 didn't drone for shit.
Alright. Alright then.
Oh, fuck, I like it.
Yep. I think it's...
Is it off?
Yeah. How's the other side? Let me check the other side. Oh, too snug in here. Come up some more way. Hi, then. Off the ground. Ready for takeoff. First start. The first start, man, with a brand new exhaust. And hopefully, two-wheel drive conversions. All right, then. Sounds good. That motherfucker sounds good, Rick. So we'll drive. Back, hold on. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Forward. Forward. There we go. Let's do a job. So good job, son. And we're to a job, kids. Sheesh. Yeah. Sounds damn good, dude.
Shifter came off.
Swear it.
Stuck in reverse.
Well, kids, it's a success. Success. The two-wheel drive is nasty. Check this out. One more time. One more time. This new exhaust is amazing. It's so quiet. Even at 75 miles an hour, 3K, 3, because it's hill, it sounds amazing. It sounds beautiful. That trailer's been parked for so long, the damn wheels are bad. The tires are bad. Got good oil pressure. The trans sim is good. We got a big transcoder on it right now.